Do you ever have that feeling whenever somebody you know, or even strangers, you have that feeling that they're mad, they're pissed? Those type of people, man, I used to be that person. I would go out into the world, and if I had a bad day, if I was feeling good, I would wear that emotion on my sleeve, like force it out of me. People around me definitely knew I was mad. They definitely knew. But then there's those other people that you kind of have that feeling. You just know. They don't even have to say anything. Today in this video, I'm going to explain to you why that is and how you can get over that and begin to project the right energy that will fucking make your life insanely cool, man. So stick with me. Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help people master their journey, and in this video, you are going to learn how high value men conquer, how they control their bioenergetic field, that bubble of energy that you have surrounding you that is attracting, it is repelling, it is full of your life's work. So we're going to go over that today, but before we begin, I'm going to quickly announce, if you want to support my work, if you want to book a coaching call, hit that Buy Me a Coffee link. Seats are limited. Get it while you can. I hope to see you there. Now, your bioenergetic field, your emotions, your past traumas, okay? Even certain things that you did today, like the food you ate, the pot you're smoking, the cigarettes you're smoking, the booze, okay? Thoughts, habits. But today I'm gonna give you a stepping stone. I'm gonna try to explain this to you, man, as simple as I can. No crazy scientific mumbo jumbo, nothing like that. I just want you to get it. I want you to get it. Because when you understand this, man, this is where you can start making those wins. This is where you can start baby stepping yourself into an exceptional, high value human being. Look, this is the first step to beginning your journey. This is the first step, is coming clean with yourself, man. You got to recognize and learn what is actually happening in the world. You know, I've helped people that were just like, help me, Dre. I don't know why bad things happen to me. I don't even want to go outside. I don't want to go to work. It's like, I'm just so afraid that something bad's going to happen to me. And then they end up developing this PTSD of just going out and being alive in the world because they think that something's going to happen. That is a whole nother issue. But to handle that, like I always say, man, at the core, you must handle this at the core, because what to me that problem is, it's blocks in your energetic field that are caused by a root problem that you have not faced and let go of. Okay? Now, I know that word let go gets thrown around a lot in the world, you know, in the self-development community, in the spiritual community. I don't believe that letting go is something that is a means to an end. It's just another thing in our tool belt that we can use, okay? It's very powerful. I'm not gonna try to downplay it, but it's very powerful. But people get super addicted to they want the bad things to happen so they can then let go of it. And it's just this vicious cycle, and that's not where you wanna be. You want to learn how to let go of things so that when they arise, you know, after you cleared your body of all this bullshit from your life, challenges arise. Life is life, man. There's ups and downs. When these things happen, you can absorb, let go of them, and release yourself from living this bullshit that something may cause for you. So check it out, man. This is you. This is you. Little stick figure you. Now here's what happens. We are all surrounded by a force field of energy. Okay? This energy It harbors, bad food, alcohol, past traumas, relationships, stuff that we have held on to. It permeates from us like it just radiates. It's all around us, and it is happening all the time. This is just the nature of things. We can have a little bit of say in what comes out of us, the vibration that we hold, okay? Stick with me. This is so fucking important. Stick with me. Once you understand this, you can actually start making progress. So in your bioenergetic field, right here, on the outer layer, right here, is where, maybe something happened to us that day. Maybe our dog shit on the floor and we stepped in it. I've done that before when I was younger. It sucks. Not fun. But we wear that on our sleeve, okay? And people around us can feel that just in our basic vicinity, And that's what this is. That's what the red means. So this is where it gets very interesting. All of this, okay, is surface level energy, surface level vibration that even the dullest person can get, man. I mean, think about that. The dullest person will be like, is there something wrong? I feel something off you. That's what that is. Now, the underlying core right here, your core vibration, okay, is what you use to manifest things. Riches, wealth, a good life, excellent, positive, uplifting, high vibe people into your life. This is where, if you start handling at the core, right here, okay, it overrides this surface level vibration. It overrides it. This will begin to change you. Because when you handle the core vibration, the surface level stuff, it's not as strong. It's not as strong. It cannot contend with that sort of power from within. How do you gain this power? This right here is what high value men understand and have done the work, okay? Right here. They've handled their core issues, past traumas, okay? The food that they eat, the life they live, the habits they have. They are on point. I always say this. Your nutrition, your fitness, your spirituality, and your passion in life. You get those on point, you handle the core. That's where you handle the core energetic vibe that you are surrounded by. You're always in this bubble of energy. All of us are. That's why we have this. You can tell if somebody, even if you've never met them, you can tell kind of how they're feeling. You get that sub-communication off of them, okay? That's where that comes from. You can't stop it. You can only manipulate the core so that your vibration is of utmost importance to you and you make it proper, positive, clean, okay? Get rid of all those blocks, the bullshit that is fucking up this. Do you understand? Comment down below if you get it or if you want me to elaborate on this more. This is the easiest way that I can explain this. It is so complex. We are extremely complex human beings. If you take care of the core, right here, you begin meditating. During your meditation, after you get good at it, and it's not a chore, okay, you get good at it and you use that tool of meditation to do shadow work. Go deep. Relieve yourself of these traumas, okay? They're just challenges. Sure, there's ups and downs and it can get kind of weird where you're like, oh no. I get it. I've been there. It's tough sometimes. I've had major traumas that I've had to work through. And getting past that gave me the utmost motivation. Crazy motivation. I can never look at what I've done and what I've accomplished and just deny it. That is true self-worth and motivation. That's where it comes from. You cannot just say affirmations to yourself every morning and think that you're doing the core work. That's just surface level stuff, man. That's just surface level stuff. And I will say, I am a huge proponent of waking up in the morning, getting yourself in a positive mood. Affirmations will help. That's true, but it's surface level. Writing down things you're grateful for, that's awesome. It puts you on the vibe of gratitude, but it's surface level. If you haven't handled the core vibration, that's going to dissipate fast, man, because your core vibration overruns all. It overruns all. So when you get that in check, you're absolutely invincible. You create an excellent life for yourself. You fucking conquer instead of staying stagnant. Because this energy will also hold you down. They are like a ball and chain on your ankle that holds you there. Handle your shit. Do the work. Do the inner work and heal yourself and fucking move forward, man. If you want help pushing yourself and getting through these traumas and challenges that you're facing right now, hit that buy me a coffee link, book a coaching call. I will step by step personally walk you through and get you to the mode of high value. Tap into your bioenergetic field, heal those problems, those hangups, those weights holding you down, and you will skyrocket your life. No doubt about it. Not even questionable. If you like this video, man, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. I'll see you in the next one, my friend.